Sure. Here's a detailed voiceover script about 2025 motorhomes, designed specifically for a YouTube video without headings. It maintains a smooth flow, uses natural spoken language, and keeps viewers engaged with vivid and informative narration. In 2025, the motorhome landscape has transformed more than ever before. What used to be a simple way to travel with a bed on wheels has now become a fusion of smart technology, luxury, and sustainable innovation. Today's motorhomes are more than just vehicles, they're mobile smart homes, crafted to offer comfort, efficiency, and independence no matter where the road leads. The biggest shift this year is in how motorhomes are powered. With sustainability at the forefront, many 2025 models are now fully electric or plug-in hybrids, featuring powerful battery systems and solar panel integration. Some advanced models can even recharge using high-efficiency solar roofs while parked, allowing longer off-grid stays without relying on noisy generators or campground hookups. These eco-conscious features don't just reduce emissions, they also cut down on operating costs and offer true freedom for travelers who want to explore remote areas without sacrificing modern convenience. Interior design has taken a giant leap forward too. Step inside a 2025 motorhome and you'll find interiors that rival high-end apartments. From sleek LED lighting systems to voice-activated controls, everything is tailored for ease of use. Modular furniture allows spaces to transform. The dinette can become a workspace, the couch can slide out into a bed, and hidden compartments make smart use of every inch. Materials have become lighter, stronger, and more sustainable, with recycled composites, bamboo, and low VOC finishes becoming standard in many models. Tech integration is one of the biggest talking points this year. Most new motorhomes come with built-in smart home systems that connect to your phone or smartwatch. You can control lighting, temperature, water usage, and even security cameras with a tap or voice command. Navigation systems now come with real-time weather tracking, off-road route optimization, and campground availability synced through cloud databases. Safety features have improved as well, with 360-degree camera systems, automatic braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane assistance all becoming standard in mid to high-end models. Storage and layout design have also improved significantly. Thanks to expandable slide-outs and convertible multi-use furniture, space is no longer a limitation. Beds now fold into walls, kitchen counters extend when needed, and ceiling storage compartments are more accessible and efficient. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family of 5, there's now a motorhome configuration that feels tailor-made. And for digital nomads, 2025 motorhomes are a dream come true. With satellite Wi-Fi, 5G boosters, and built-in workstations, staying connected from a mountaintop or desert valley is easier than ever. Some models even come with dedicated podcasting rooms or video production setups, catering directly to the content creator generation. One of the most exciting trends this year is the rise of self-driving assistants. While full autonomy isn't common yet, many motorhomes now offer features like adaptive cruise control, automated parking, and assisted highway driving. These systems take the stress out of long-distance travel, allowing you to enjoy the ride while the vehicle helps you stay safe and alert. Customization is also a major focus in 2025. Buyers can now choose from a wider variety of finishes, tech packages, and even exterior paint schemes. Some manufacturers offer AR or VR tools so you can walk through your motorhome before it's built. Want an outdoor kitchen, or rooftop deck, or a built-in drone landing pad? It's possible, and people are doing it. So whether you're a weekend warrior or planning to go full-time on the road, 2025 is the year motorhomes finally feel like true homes. With sustainable power, smart tech, luxurious interiors, and more customization than ever before, these rolling sanctuaries are redefining freedom, comfort, and adventure for a new generation of travelers. Let me know if you'd like a shorter version or want to focus on a specific brand or model.